Hello, everyone. My name is Young Chung, and I'm part of the HED working group. I will be showing you how to use the graphical user interface tool CTAGGER to add HED annotation into your event. And to start with, you can download CTAGGER via the instruction on the HED example CTAGGER tutorial page, or you can go to the CTAGGER GitHub repository to find the download link and installation instruction. Once you have downloaded CTAGGER into your computer, you can start the program by executing the executable. And a window will show up that will let you import the event.json sidecar. And I will be using here the JSON file that Kay has prepared in her part for the Sternberg working memory task. So once you imported the events JSON file into CTAGGER, you will see that in this drop-down menu, it will have a list of different fields in your event file. And then for each field, especially for a categorical field, it will have a list of field levels. To start annotation, you can click on a level, and you can choose to display the head schema via the schema expandable and collapsible browser. And you can explore the head terminology by clicking on different schema node and read the tag description as well as the attributes. So the tagging process is simply browsing the head schema and choosing a head tags in the vocabulary that match your annotation intent. So the other thing you can do is typing directly to the editor window. And as you start typing, CTAGGER will look up a partial match for what you have typed and give you task suggestion. And you can just choose and add a tag directly from the search result. You can validate your annotation by clicking on the validate string button. If there's some error, you will see an error message associated with it. And then throughout the tagging process, you can view your annotation for all the different fields and field levels by going to this review tags window. Okay, you can validate all the annotation before you finish. And then once you click finish, again, the review tab panel will show up again. You can save your annotation into another event.json file. So that you can share with other people in your business dataset directory, or just simply to resume it later on your annotation process. Once you have your head annotation, you can then later use it with analysis software that support head. And an example here is EEG Lab and an EEG analysis toolbox in MATLAB. And we have built utility to work with head in EEG Lab dataset. And we can use head tags to extract epochs for later downstream analysis, for example, to get event-related potential time logged to certain events. Monique in the next session will show you how you might do fMRI analysis on head annotated dataset as well.